Hey guys, Glenn Murray Online. How are you tonight? It is Tuesday. Just got back from soccer practice, and I am hyped up because I've got this software that I've been playing with, and actually it's pretty crazy because it's brand new, and there was a couple of glitches in the software that I found. I've been helping the developer fix it. But what's so cool is that it's working now, and if you are in the paper calls, actually, if you need websites, if you want to make some money on the side, if you want to do Fiverr gigs, if you want to do whatever, this is you got to check this out. And I'm going to show you at the end exactly how I would do it, actually how we are doing it, because we just got this thing going. We just got an order from Italy. We got orders coming in from Germany. We've got people that are wanting what websites done, and we're just being able to use this tool, which is building websites in literally 5 minutes, guys. So make websites for local businesses, 5 grand a month, and this is for real. I'm going to show you exactly how to build a $500 website. Go out and find a business for it. Here's the business. Build it in less than 5 minutes, and then say, okay, I'm going to host it, and you get an hour of maintenance on it for $100 a month. Think about it. Do 10 websites a month, right? How much time is that? So it's 50 minutes of actual just flipping time. Add another hour of maybe the server stuff, right? Getting it up on the server, doing a couple email things, and then that's it, guys. This is so simple. All right, and also, guys, actually, you know what? I'm just so excited. I'm gonna show you. I'm looking at my mic again. I don't know why I'm doing this. It's like I'm talking to you guys here. Hey, can you hear me? All right. So I'm going to show you how this stuff works. It's so friggin' amazing. Now, these are not templates. You guys don't have to mess with code. You don't have to mess with actually writing content even. This is done for you stuff, and they look amazing. They work amazing. They're mobile responsive. They're super fast. They do all those crazy things. And literally, guys, you can. And I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make any money at all, but if you go get this software, which I think right now you can get it for $27, get the software right now, and basically you will be able to go out there and get local websites. And maybe you're building your affiliate marketing thing or your network marketing program, and you're talking to a lot of people online. Well, when you talk to people online, people are looking for people that can build websites and build stuff like that, right? So if you're able to go, hey, I'm someone might go, hey, yeah, I got this, I got an account, I got a tax accountant thing, or an auto shop or whatever. I really need a professional website done. You're like, well, you know what? That's what I can do for you. So let me show you this. It's going to be so easy. Let me pop it on here. Okay, guys, this is it. This is a software called Rapify. The link's going to be right below if you want to go grab it. Like I said, it's $27. I highly recommend getting it. I'm going to send it out to my email because this is amazing. Okay, so let's say you got an HVAC guy, right? Let's just say there's an HVAC guy that you are. I gotta go to niches. So I'm gonna go for a niche. And guys, this is amazing. You get all the you get, I think, close to 300 niches of all this stuff, right? So let's find an HVAC guy. All right, let's see. Now, if you're doing pay per call, you're doing here it is, HVAC, right? So I'm just gonna go use, because I'll show you what the website looks like in the back office here. All right, so so what it's doing, it's actually loading a website into basically a staging area where we're going to be able to do a couple small tweaks that's going to take less than a couple of minutes, and we're going to basically brand this site out just like that for someone. So easy. So guys, this is so amazing. So this is it, guys. This is a done site, and I'm saying this isn't just placeholder text. This is actually, let's go into this. I can't go into it over here because this is like the staging area, right? These are all the editable stuff. I go over to this heating page. So that would have been the link you would click for the heating. And this is what the page will come up at. And you could see this in the preview and stuff like that. So the main thing is, guys, this text is kind of important, but really this is the important stuff. Call us now, contact us, right? This is what local businesses want. They want people to be able to get in touch with them right away, see that they're in their neighborhood. That's what they want. But all this stuff is in there. So when you build this website for someone, they're gonna look at it and go, "Holy cow, God, where did you get all this amazing content?" They're gonna read through it. They might ask you to just tweak a couple things, but it's gonna be live. It's gonna be working for them, and they're just gonna be so super excited about it. So you're gonna be like, "Oh, Glenn, like I got to go in and do all this work. I got to code all the company information." No, you don't. You're gonna ask them for a logo. You're gonna click on that logo. You're gonna go open image styles, and you're just going to upload that image right for them. Boom, their new logo is going to be there, right? Their company information, we go over here, replace company information. Actually, what we need to do is we're going to save this. Glenn's HVAC. This is my HVAC company. And this could be anybody's, right? This is Joe's HVAC company, whatever you want. You could even leave this logo if you want to, or you can just go. I recommend getting Pro Canva if you are going to do this, because you can make a ton of logos in there. And I'll leave my link for Canva because it's amazing. I recommend having the Pro version of that. So we've saved it now as Glenn's HVAC. We're going to go into replace the company information, and I'm just going to go through Glenn at glenshvac.com. I'm going to change the number and Glenn's HVAC. I'm going to do it's local to me. Glenarvan, New Westminster. So what I really recommend when you're doing this, when you get the software, guys, oops, it's not Wheat, Westminster, I recommend two things. Turn off all the extensions if you're working on the Chrome browser, and turn off your autofill. You never want to be, when you're doing templated work like this, you never want to have your autofill on, because you don't want any of your personal information to be put into websites when you're working on stuff that does stuff like this. You just want it to, not that it's terribly security thing, it's just a drag if it puts your information in there, right? So BC, and just put a postal code in here, and I'm going to hit replace. So what's going to happen, it's going to take all that information, and then it's going to reload the site here, guys. And this is so cool. This is so awesome. This saves hours and hours and hours. So now I would just go, look at this, call us today. There it is. Call us, right? Come down here, Glenn's HVAC. There's the address. Look at this, even the map, and it's bang on, guys. The map is bang on. Everything is done for you right there. This form all ready to go. You just put in an email where you want that form to be sent to. All these pages work. All I would do is I would go to publish settings, and I would just then publish it to whatever way you're going to get the information. Now, I would recommend going and getting your own hosting. Get A2 hosting, and I'll put a link below for A2 hosting, which I highly recommend, because you can host as many sites as you want in there. You would just throw it onto your site, and then what you want to do is you want to charge that company $100 for hosting and maintenance, right? Like, this is the trick. And what all you would do is you'd click on cPanel or FTP. You get that information from A2, you do it, and then you would hit save settings, and all it's going to do is it would just upload the entire site to that domain, and it would be live. Now, when you're like, oh, what if I have to make changes? You just come back here, you do all the changes here on this stage, and then you just hit update, and it would then upload the new changes for you. It's that simple, guys. This is amazing. And there's hundreds of templates here. There's hundreds and hundreds, right? So this is blowing me away. When my business partner and I, David, and I saw this, because we do pay-per-call stuff, and he does a lot of jobs on Fiverr, and we build small microsites. Like, this is taking our microsite building like just to another level, because we're able to do very quickly make a basically a website that has all the information we have. Now, one thing I would recommend doing when you're in here, so where's my HVAC here? So what I would recommend doing when you're in here, when you're in these sections, right? These pages that have about us and stuff in it, or like let's go into duct cleaning here. So what I recommend on these pages is to go in and just tweak them a little bit. Don't change all the text, but just create a more original version of it. You don't have to, because all the text is there, but really you want to have original content. So if you could have, you know, basically take this text, make it your own. See, even my phone number is in there, guys. It's all there. It's just so amazing. Like it does that whole thing for you, right? Call us today. These are done for you sites. Anyways, I'd go in there and change up this text a little bit. You know, if you're working for a company, ask them what they want. If I was doing this for if I was doing this one for a paper call, I would probably spin this text a little bit, make it a little bit more original. If I was targeting a specific town, I'd probably put the name of the town in here for some extra SEO juice. And these sites, guys, remember, like when you're doing pay per call, you're gonna be sending some ads to your call to get the juice going. You're gonna make your microsite, but you want to start getting organic traffic to that microsite, so the cost of your clicks goes down, right? You want to be having organic traffic find your pay per call, so it's costing you nothing to earn those 15, 30, $80. And if you don't know what pay per call is, I'll put a link to our review on the bulletproof method of what we make a lot of money with, and it's so cool. So anyways, that's it, guys. That is how simple it is. Now, I said I would basically give you 12 minutes, guys. I did a demo. I had to walk you through. Just think think about this. You go out and you go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you just go out and you have some coffee. You walk around, you walk around the strip malls in your town, or you walk around your main street or whatever. And you go into shops like, hey, I'm a new web developer, and I'm just building up my portfolio. So I'm doing really inexpensive websites for local businesses, and we build out a full, whatever it is, 10-page website for $500. Would be something you'd be interested in, right? Businesses that are looking for business are like, yeah, right? And you just say, all I need, I don't need any content from you right now. All I do need is just a logo or a picture of your logo. If you have something, maybe a business card that I can scan, and then go get that logo scanned. And if you don't know how to do it, go to your local copy shop and say, hey, can you scan this for me and send it to me as a digital file, right? It's easy. Think, right? So you have that. You get their contact information. You go home. You load up one of these 300 templates, right? And you just do it, and you basically just that's it, right? Go boom, 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 and then the next day you send it off. Like, or say you found you walked around, you talked to like 25 companies, and you found 10 that go, yeah, we'd like to do that. So you go home, you bang out these 10 sites in literally 5 or 6 minutes per site, right? You email a copy to them and say, hey guys, I just finished up doing up your website here. Just want you to check it out. Logos in there, boom, 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 done. And they're going to probably say, oh, can you do some revisions or whatever? And then you just say, hey, yeah, there you go. It's $500. Give me, and you would put it on your domain, right? So you would have it showing on I don't know how you could have a test.domain. So once they say, yeah, our domain is this, you get that information, or you say, I host it. And just point your domain to my server, which you show them how to do. You point to your server. You have an add-on domain there. Their domain is there. You load the site up to there. If you have any technical problems with that at all, A, if you're on A2, they're totally going to help you. Or B, just message me and I can totally walk you through it. That is like a no-brainer. It's literally, it's click here, click here, click here, click here. There's no mystery. There's nothing crazy, right? And that's it. Guys, that's it. Set up their email for them. If their email's already set up, maybe a lot of them use Gmail, so it doesn't matter. You just configure a catch-all email for that website, and just forward it to their Gmail, right? So in the back office, in your cPanel, you just forward it to them. Guys, you are going to be a rock star. And then you say, yeah, and it's $500 for the website, and then it's only $100 a month for me to maintain it and keep it, and I'll give you an hour of maintenance on it if you want any updates done. Just I'll charge you an hour, $100 an hour just for the hosting and maintenance. And people are gonna be like, yeah, they don't want to think about it, right? All they want to know, and they want to know they've got a guy that's like, hey, my website's not showing. That's why you want to be on A2, because they're like 99.9% uptime. They have technicians that are so fast. So if you have any problems, they're so good at fixing stuff. And you have basically you get a call from them. And they're like, hey, we need a couple changes done. Cool, send it over, right? Or our website's doing some weird thing. You go in and it's easy, guys. This is so simple. This is the easiest, fastest way to make money, because you're not worried about coding. You're not worrying about writing content. All you're doing is going in and changing like 5 elements: their phone number, their name, their email, their address, right? And you're changing out a logo. Maybe they want a different color. You can change the color for them. It's just a push button. So click the link below, grab the software, take it for a test drive. I think right now it's $27 and you get 12 templates. And then, but if you take the subscription, which I think is $37 a month, you get another 271, I think it is, 271 more templates. Guys, this is like gold. Anyways, I'm not guaranteeing you're going to make any money if you don't, but if you do this work, if you go out there and you hustle, you're going to be making a great side income while you're building your network marketing company, while you're building your affiliate marketing company. While you're doing this, you're going to have this nice cash flow to do it. So that's what I have for you guys. It's super exciting. Make sure you hit the notification. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm here to make you more money, show you ways that you can make money online by different tools and stuff. Guys, this is a future. It's so great. And the freedom, think about this. You are able to do this anywhere. Maybe you don't want to go walk around your town. Maybe you just want to email, right? And say, hey, I'm a local, I'm a web designer, right? And I was looking at your online presence, and hey, would you be interested in a 7-10 page website? It's just $500 and then $100 a month maintenance. And then you can say, if they go, yeah, say, great, I've already done a mock-up for you, and you can show them one you've already done, right? You got an aquarium company, go call all the aquarium companies in your town. Hey, aquarium company, and show them the aquarium site. Boom, 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 done, right? They say, oh, we've got these images we want. You go in, you do the images. Most of the time, all they want a phone number, and they want people to contact them. This is what local businesses want. They want their phone number out there on a website that's ranking in Google, that has content on it that is relative to their business. But really what they want people to do is call them or find them online. All right, guys. Make sure you click the link below and get it, and I'll put a link for A2, and I'll show you, I'll put a link for our review for how to do pay per call. It's a very good business. Again, it's something you can do on the side. It's a passive income while you're building affiliate marketing, or it is a form of affiliate marketing, but maybe you're building one of my other affiliate marketing things, or you're building a network marketing company, or you're building whatever you're building, right? Maybe you got a Shopify store going. Anyways, cheers guys. Have a good night. Bye.